Hello, good afternoon. Wasim here at Your Next Cars YouTube channel, presenting you a short walk around to this gorgeous 318i 2-litre G20 saloon we have in. Presented in Alpine White. It's a two-owner car covered to 76,000 miles. Totally belies the miles in absolutely brilliant condition in and out. Full BMW service history. As with all our cars, it has some aesthetic styling upgrades, professionally done in-house. We've been doing this for almost a decade now. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. So let's take a look around, give you an insight to what the car's like before you view. We hold around 150 BMWs in stock. Gloss black kidney grille, 3-piece AC style front splitter, brand new 20-inch wheels. It's a G83 comp style in satin black. They do fit this car really well. M mirror cap upgrade, M Performance side logo, side bars, staggered wheels, so wider on the rear, give it a nice aggressive look. Rear privacy glass, that ever popular sought after professionally fitted LED rear diffuser with functioning brake light, carbon tips which are fully functioning, professionally fitted in-house. Really tidy car all around, as you can see. Take a look inside, I'll show you the service history. A good look at the interior for you as well. Black leather seats, heated with lumbar support, electric windows, mirrors, electric folding mirrors, digital cockpit, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limit, automatic LED headlights, paddle shift 8-speed. Black leather with the white stitching, which is in very good condition. LED lights with all the settings for the different colours as well. You see the reversing camera, parking assistance, navigation map, touch screen, and you can also use the iDrive button to take a look at the service history. Full main dealer right the way. Next service due in 7,000 miles or August next year. You can apply for finance on our website. Click the WhatsApp button on the website for anything else. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.